Hi, my name is Andrew Heuerman. I'm the CEO and co-founder of The Patient Company, where we created a new product that helps to move patients, and that product is called SimPull. We created the product SimPull, which allows staff members to move patients by connecting to whatever is already underneath the patient already, and using our device SimPull to actually pull them from one surface to another, up in bed, from lying to seated. This allows for patients to be moved in a way that's more comfortable, safe for them, while also significantly reducing the risk of injury to caregivers and staff while they're moving patients. One career skill that I have found extremely helpful over the years is public speaking. Public speaking is something that people are typically afraid of or just really dislike doing, and I never really was afraid or disliked public speaking myself, so I found myself getting thrown to the front, being told you're going to present here, you're going to speak here, and I just leaned into it. I learned how to public speak better, I took classes, took things on, and I found that that is something that has really benefited my career. One academic skill that I found very valuable in my career is writing. So academically, I had always really liked creative writing, but in my career, I found that there was really an opportunity for technical writing that I didn't understand very well at the time, but because of my interest and ability to write creatively, I found technical writing to be a pretty natural transition and helpful as well. One underrated academic skill that I found helpful is actually geography. Now that we're doing sales all over the country, I find myself traveling to southern Georgia one week, northern Washington the next week, and I have never been to these places, but my ability to understand geographically where I'm at, what I'm near, what I should be looking for, has really helped me to relate to the people in those places when I get there to do sales with them and for them. I grew up in a family with a lot of people practicing medicine or in healthcare adjacent fields and really always loved healthcare. So I thought when I went to college I was going to be a doctor, and turned out about 3.5 years into my journey in college, I realized this actually isn't for me. I'd also always loved engineering growing up, so at that point in time in school, I really looked for a way to combine both my understanding and learnings that I had already had in college within healthcare with kind of my natural interests and inclination towards engineering. I think the truth of it is that healthcare is taking care of patients, but there's so much that goes into that. I mean, people deliver food to patients, people are engineering products that serve patients, people are selling those products to staff members who use them. At the end of the day, if you care about taking care of patients and you have skills or things in these other areas that are supportive of that, you can find yourself within healthcare in a sales, engineering, logistics, support role pretty quickly if you keep that at heart that you're helping to take care of patients as well. So I'd recommend go find things that you love, go find problems you can solve, and support in that way as soon as you can. And I think a natural career will kind of develop in front of you.